In this video, I'm going to talk about why I think that BreakoutOS platform is actually the winning platform for everyone looking for a true edge, looking for a way to build strategies, especially breakout strategies that do work, looking for something new and something built by professional traders, not by programmers or IT specialists. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I believe that BreakoutOS is a big win for every serious trader. Let's get to it. So first of all, BreakoutOS is a platform which runs in your browser. So it runs on any machine. It runs on Mac, it runs on PC, it runs on your iPad. It just works everywhere. And it's a platform specialized on breakout trading. So this is a platform which is trying or aiming to do one thing, but do it really, really well. To master one direction, help you get really fantastic outcomes and professionalism in one direction only. And that's already a pretty big jump from traditional platforms, which are trying to do everything and nothing, which are pretty much overwhelming with thousands and thousands of futures, but completely lack any true focus. So the first advantage why I believe that BreakoutOS is actually a big win for every serious trader, especially breakout trader, is because it's specialized. It's aiming to do one thing, but do it really, really well. And everything here, everything in this platform has been actually built to make things happen, to give you one specialization and help you master it perfectly. Starting with some very simple modules like build step number 1, master the Mr. Breakouts formula, which is basically a pretty simple module, but it gives you fantastic illustrative understanding of how breakout works, what happens if you use different components, what happens if you use different average true range periods. It's basically a very practical way that helps you master breakout trading in no time. The reason number 2 why I believe this is a big win is that it actually is built as a layer on existing platforms. It's not trying to replace your existing platform. It just helps you to find an edge, and then you can trade it in any other platform out there like TradeStation, Multi-Charts, NinjaTrader, MetaTrader, AmiBroker, Python. It generates the code. So basically, this is a layer. It's an addition. It's an improvement, enhancement. This enhances your existing platform. It doesn't replace it. So if you're hooked to specific trading platform, you're familiar with it already, fantastic. Keep it. This is additional layer which helps you to narrow down all the focus into one specific direction, master it, and do it really, really well. The third reason why this is really, I believe, a big win for traders is because it builds a real framework, workflow. It just goes from naturally from trading-wise steps of building, analyzing, improving, and launching. So you can start as simply as just start prototyping robust, viable, foundational breakout models, which is really, really fast, but very thorough and very robust, and end up with some very advanced steps in the last stage, like monitoring your breakout strategies' health to make sure that your strategies are within parameters, or giving you a clear signal when strategies might not be healthy and you might need to replace them. So it's a framework built by traders, not by programmers, but by traders, to really honoring the regular flow of how trading should work and help you from building through analyzing through constant improvements until launch and build and monitoring your edge and helping you to achieve the peak performance. The fourth reason is that it has a lot of features that's been built by the authors, which stand behind the Breakout Trading Academy. So true breakout trading specialists, and probably the biggest trading specialists out there. And it's loaded with some features which were originally developed for hedge fund and which are really cutting edge technology. So again, the specific example can be this monitor your breakout strategies, help very complicated algorithms, very thorough algorithms, but it gives you very precise understanding how healthy your algorithm is. It helps you stress test your breakout strategy. So it helps you to prove your strategy has real edge before going live. It helps you it helps you create portfolios in a completely new visual way. I mean, there are so many completely new features you do not get anywhere else. And as I said, it helps you monitor and prevent failure of strategies, but it already starts on the build level. It helps you to find the perfect markets for breakout trading, calibrate markets personality. It helps you map and isolate your markets edge. So it's stacked. It's literally stacked with very clever, savvy hedge fund level algorithms, which at the same time are very easy to implement. Like you literally do everything in a few clicks. You just go, you click to load data, you click to start prototyping, and you just wait, and in just few minutes you have very thorough outputs which help you navigate very quickly towards promising and robust edges. And by the way, clients are getting first results literally in hours. What used to take weeks or months takes them literally hours or even minutes for skilled users to find out viable foundational model, thoroughly test its robustness, validate, cross-validate, just name it. So it's a different philosophy. It's not like this, do everything but nothing and jump from one thing to another one. It's guided, exact process, framework, built in with one particular focus in mind and aiming to do it exceptionally well with really high level of focus and professionalism. So again, that's why I believe it's a big win. And finally, there's a very good community around this framework and around this platform with fantastic results, with fantastic progress. So it really helps you to track your achievements, your progress, your strategy. So really outstanding solution just for everyone. So anyway, that's what I believe. It's so great about BreakoutOS. That's what I believe why everyone should try it. Now, to start with BreakoutOS, you need to go to breakoutos.com. You need to check all the information there. They have a couple of different levels, and it also depends where you are at and what you want to achieve. But this is truly something new, and I believe this is a big win and very quickly developing platform, which I believe will take over a lot of obsolete old platforms in the future. So that's it. Let me know what do you think, and hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading!